Hey guys, as you may remember, we did a review of our new trailer when we got it, and the only complaint we really had about it when we picked it up was these made in China tires, these Goodrides. And here we are, roughly a couple thousand miles later, and we already have replaced one Goodride with the only made in America tire we could find for a trailer, which was the Goodyear Endurance. And we just got down the road barely from the barn, and a second factory Goodride has gone to pot. So in my experience, Goodride is junk. Not a good ride. Do yourself a favor, stay away from that. We've only had the Goodyear Endurance on here for a couple of hauls with our 9,000 pound excavator and a couple of hauls of just taking palleted items. But no issues so far. That's what you want out of your trailer tire. Do hope the video is beneficial to you. Hope you have a great day.